rather than asking the Honorable Speaker to put us on vote, I can always then take advantage of what has been reflected as the intent of our friends from opposition to withdraw this no confidence motion. Now it's up to them, and because that is the intent they said is the the guiding line. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Yes,
Sir, I am sure you already knew the mind while listening to the submission made by all the members who expressed their vote of confidence. So I would like to express my sincere thanks to you for having allowed us to raise this no confidence motion today. I am more happy that this no confidence motion has turned to be an effective discourse. So we have been succeeded in our plan, and that is to draw the attention of the government on various issues. We have been also able to make all the MLAs in the Treasury stay in their seats. This is the first time that we have this kind of seriousness, sir, in this August House. And we can also hardly see officers sitting till this timing, sir. So I think, sir, we are succeeded. And I hope that the government will seriously attend to all those concerns expressed by the honorable members today. Sir, I feel that the government should take this as an opportunity to convert these criticisms as building blocks and bricks. This is the beauty of democracy, sir, where constructive debates is taking place. So with these few words, sir, I withdraw this resolution.
honorable members, usually the no confidence motion is put to vote. And I am not aware whether any no confidence motion is withdrawn. Maybe this may be the first time. Anyway, I thank the honorable mover and also the leader of the House and leader of the opposition and all the members who have made today's discussion very lively. And I do hope that this will be effective. With that spirit, let me put the question before the House. The question is that the honorable mover has leave of the House to withdraw his no confidence motion. Those who are in favor say ayes. Those who are against say no. I think the ayes have it, and the no confidence motion is withdrawn with the leave of the House. And as it is, Meghalaya shows the way.